boy. What's wrong with you? What are you doing? It's already 8 o'clock. Your teacher has complained yesterday you were bad perform.
Study, study. I don't like. I will be go.
Oh my god, what happened my son?
Rohit bunked the school and goes to meet her friend in his usual place.
Hi, Rohit. How are you?
This is my brother and my energy. Thank you, my. Main teacher of the school had go to park Sachin Rohit. Rohit was unconscious state.
Rohit? 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 What's wrong with you? I will go bring you some water.
ఏం చేస్తావు ఇప్పుడు ఇంటికి అందరు మంచిగా ఫోన్ పే
Rohit, get up, boy.
ఒక్కసారి చూడు ఇక ఏం చెయ్యను
Teacher took the boy after admit the hospital. Doctor called to parents. Speak about boy.
Good morning, doctor. What happened? My son behavior is not good. What happened, my son, doctor?
I am so sorry. Your son abused the drugs.
What you say, doctor?
I say really, your son abused the drugs.
Oh my God.
Drugs are very dangerous. Drugs are damaging our health, our heart, lungs. That's why be careful and take. Don't feel. So guys, please don't use the drugs. Be careful.